You know I'm gonna get you, yeah. Whatever it takes to get there. No, I won't drop you like everybody else does. Forget about your friends, they don't care where we go. If they do, we'll get lost in a crowd of people. I've been looking for you forever, baby. We go together, baby. We go. In this crazy world of choices, I've only got a few. Either you're coming with me, or I'm coming with you. 'Cause I find it.
Hi, back with me again with Malishka on KATULISTIWA CUP JETSKI Championship 2014, and I'm at Palu now. This is a really hot weather, but don't worry, we got the best player in here, the jet ski player from all Jakarta, Manado, Samarinda, Balikpapan, and all over Indonesia. Okay, now please check it out.
Coming to get you, yeah. We have a connection, that's right. 'Cause girl, I'm not letting go. I'm gonna make you feel right. Oh yeah. Forget about your friends, they don't care where we go. If they do, we'll get lost in a crowd of people. I've been looking for you forever, baby. We go together, baby. We go. In this crazy world of choices, I've only got a few. Either you're coming with me, or I'm coming with you. 'Cause I finally found you. You never have to worry if what I say is true. Girl, I've been looking for you, and when I saw you, I knew that I finally found you.
To ask for, really so tough. Find yourself moving with the sex to the drums. Got my hands, can't stop spilling 'cause I'm drunk as fuck. And my song comes on and the club goes nuts. Yeah, every province I go, sleep till y'all sleep, best that y'all know. Running around and doing all these shows, round the whole globe. Become a you go girl, ain't you need to think of it. Just a ride for the night, baby, live a bit. With a place to hit and your pants is in. We can make a singing party or you into it.
In this crazy world of choices, I've only got a few. Either you're coming with me, or I'm coming with you. 'Cause I finally found you. Finally found you. Finally found you. Finally found. Finally found you. You know I'm gonna get you.
Hai, aku di sini di tengah-tengah para peserta, dan this is the Rising Class Star. Mereka baru aja start, dan itu seru banget. Antusias penonton itu oke banget, dan wah, pokoknya kita harus saksikan yang satu ini. Yuk!
I'm falling to pieces, but I need this, yeah, I need this. You're my fault, my weakness. When did you turn so cold? But I still stay, 'cause you're the only thing I know. Won't you take me home? Take me home. Take me home. Take me.
Hai, dan sekarang aku sama salah satu pengisi acara hari ini. This is DJ Marin from Spinach, Bandung. Hai DJ, hi Mr. DJ, this is one of my best friends too. So, gimana Palu?
Palu gokil, panas juga sih tapi.
Panas banget kan, ini belum seberapa. Terus gimana? Kira-kira nanti manggung jam berapa?
Manggung jam 3 ya Raji ya?
Iya, jam 3 ya. Oh, nunggu gak panas dulu ya gitu. Curang dia. Terus persiapannya apa lagi nih?
Persiapannya buat lagu udah oke semua.
Udah oke semua ya?
Udah tinggal perform aja.
Udah tinggal hajar aja ya. Oke. Oke, DJ Maran, thank you so much and we'll see you again later. Oke.
That's good. Robbie, that's good. That's good.
Oke, jadi mau ucapin selamat siang dulu untuk seluruh warga Kota Palu yang masih tetap stay di KATULISTIWA CUP JETSKI Championship 2014. Kita masih bakal terus melanjutkan untuk kelas berikutnya, dan sekarang kita bersiap-siap untuk seluruh racer yang bakal beradu di kelas expert. Untuk standby juga di jetskinya masing-masing itu ada Taufik di 989, Nobera di 08, ada Judi Ahmad 46, ada Fauzi 19, ada Fahrizi 39, Denny Waro 77, dan Giri Pratama 01.
electronic music blending generator.